Is it me? Is it Jen J? Cause I can't tell. My baby's not gonna recognize me, y'all. Yada 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 yada. Hey, hey. If you're dealing with that awkward length stage or postpartum shedding, or if you're like me and you're dealing with both, then this video is for you. As mentally prepared as I thought I was for postpartum shedding, there's something about seeing clumps of hair go down the drain. Girl, it hit me right here. So today I'm gonna show you how to go from this to this fabulous hair, honey, in a matter of minutes. Okay, inches. Okay, movement. Okay, body. I'm not gonna lie, I seriously considered getting a wig, but I was like, Jen, you're not a wig girly. But you know what I can be? A clip-in girly. Yes, girl, I am rocking clip-ins today, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I achieved this look because you don't have to tell me. I know I look good. Today's video is brought to you by Curlsqueen. Thank you for sponsoring your girl and allowing me to do what I love. Curlsqueen is a brand that empowers women through self-care by providing quality hair. And there is something about looking good that just makes you feel good. Hot girl summer all around. I said I was gonna do new things all summer long, and we're doing new things all summer long. Your unit will come in a beautiful box along with a detangling brush, some extra clips, a satin bonnet, and the hair that I got is the Water Jerry Curly Clip-In Extension Set, which does mimic 3C/4A hair, and you guys know my hair is 4C, so my goal today is to blend it with my natural hair. For a natural everyday look, 5 pieces should be enough, but if you want a full glam look, 10 pieces is best. I went ahead and washed and conditioned the hair prior to using it. This allowed the curls to loosen up a little bit and also give you more of a voluminous look. You can see the difference before I washed the hair and after I washed it, and this is the small amount of shedding that I had. So now I'm gonna start putting the clip-ins on my head, and this process is so easy. It's just a matter of clipping the clip-ins to your hair. And since my hair is braided down, you get to see the full unit in action. And I know what you're wondering, Jen, how did you get your hair like this? The night before, I washed and conditioned my hair and popped it in some flat twists. I didn't think too much of it, just really put my hair down in those flat twists. But I strategically parted my hair to the side because I wanted a side look situation. And there I carefully put my hair in 2 flat twists that I knew I was going to take out in an attempt to blend my hair with the clip-ins. Now that you're all caught up, I'm just going to continue to add the clip-ins to my hair. And this process is so easy. And it's crazy to me how my face just transformed right before your eyes. I also have this hair in 18 inches. This hair feels like it's not going to tangle easily. It's soft, can be washed, conditioned, cut, twisted, bent to knotted. Whatever you want to do with it, you can. You can even dye it or bleach it to achieve your preferred color because this hair originally wasn't dyed using a permanent dye. Seeing myself with long hair is so weird. Jennifer, is that you? So I still have 3 tracks left. Technically I have 4, but this one of the clips is a little loose. It came like that. I didn't bother washing it because I didn't want to fix the clip. Now I'm reconsidering, but whatever. These 2 twists is what I'm going to take out to blend everything together. So I'm just going to add the track that I have around that. Okay, girl. Who is this girl? I don't know. Maybe add another one over here. Wow. And I have 1 more track. This hair is very full. You gotta let me know. Is the back okay? You better let me know, girl. I don't know where to put this last track, so I'm gonna take out my hair first and then we'll blend. All right, one thing that I'm going to do is actually take a little bit of gel and gel down my hair so that it blends perfectly with these clip-ins. First of all, I think I'm gonna add this track over here because yeah, you see it? Yeah, this is gonna go here. My hair is quite short and I wanted it to blend seamlessly. So what I ended up doing is grabbing pieces of hair, a little bit of gel, and twirling it around the clip-ins hair. Doing so allowed my 4C hair to blend so perfectly with this hair. I mean, you can even tell when my hair starts or where the clip-in begins. It really looks like this hair is growing right out of my scalp. It's giving scalp, it's giving it's my hair. It's giving your secrets are safe with me, girl. I mean, blending game on point. Where's my hair? Where is the clip ends? I don't know. I almost want to take the scissors to it just to kind of clean up some of the edges a little bit, but this is day one. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. But it is so interesting to see me with long hair. The hair is so light, it hardly feels like I have anything on my head, especially given that I have so much hair. It looks like I have so much hair, but it's very light. Perfect for summer. If you're looking to switch up your style, girl, we can be clip-ins girlies together. Our secret is nicely covered. It's actually crazy how I was able to blend these clip-ins with my hair. You can hardly tell. Tell me that you can tell where my hair starts and my hair ends. I'll wait. You can call me Gen Cita because this is not Gen J. If you keep playing around with it, you will get even more body. The body that you deserve. And this is it, y'all. This is how you can switch up your style this summer, switch up your look. If someone's looking for you, they're not gonna recognize you. It's not you today. It's your alter ego. It's beautiful, it's soft, blending game is on point. And if someone is that close to your scalp, they need to give you 50 feet. Boundaries, okay? This hair is very light. I did not get a lot of shedding when I washed it, so the quality is on 10. Sometimes you just want to put your hair away. I get it. So go ahead and click the link down below to get your own set of clip-ins so that we can both be clip-in girlies. Hot mom summer only, okay? The thing that I love about this hair is that it is very light. It doesn't even feel like I have a full bundle of hair on my head. And it has movement, it has body. You can definitely take some scissors to it. Y'all know I love me a good pair of scissors and a good haircut. Just to give it some extra shape, you can definitely like angle this. Okay, all right, I'll stop. You can just play around with it and get the look that you want. You really don't have to take the scissors to it. You can get more body the more you play with it. Blending game is amazing. You really can tell where my hair starts or stops. I don't know what else to tell you, girl. The link will be down below. Did I give you a 360? I don't know if I did. So here's the front, the side, the back, the other side, and the front again. Okay, so it's been a few weeks of me wearing the hair and I wanted to come back and update you. The hair is still holding up very well. I slept in this hair, not that I'm saying you should do that. I worked out in this hair and it's still holding up very well. Still very soft, it's still very full. I'll give you an up close. The curls are consistent from root to ends and the ends themselves aren't bushy at all. It has that fluff to it. It got that bounce. The color is seamless as well all throughout. And you know how some weaves come with the white string around the wefts? If you know, you know, but this one doesn't have it. And it is double wefts, by the way. I'm gonna get a lot of use out of it. It's just very pretty and it's very easy to put on. You just clip, clip, clip and you're out the door. I'm also glad I didn't take scissors to it because it's not my ministry. And the more you wear it, the more it falls effortlessly, especially when it comes to the clip-in placement. You can just place it wherever you want so that it frames your face the way that you want it to. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.